Hey everyone, in this video, we're looking at how to share an Airtable view on the web. Open the Airtable base that contains the view you want to share. Click on the base from your Airtable home screen. Once it opens, you'll see all your tables and views listed. Look to the top right corner of the base interface. You'll see a button labeled Share and Sync. Click that. A drop-down menu will appear with several sharing options. If you've already shared this view before, the button might be highlighted in pink. From that drop-down menu, click on Create Link to View. A dialog window will pop up showing your shareable link and configuration options. Airtable generates a unique URL for your view instantly. Inside that dialog window, you'll see a button that says Copy Link. Click it to copy the URL to your clipboard. The button might briefly change to say Copied so you know it worked. The link is now ready to share with anyone via email, Slack, or whatever method you prefer. Here's what to know. The shared view is read-only by default, so people who click your link can see the data, but they can't edit, add, or delete any records. The Share and Sync button will stay highlighted in pink from now on, which tells you this view is actively shared. The view updates automatically as you change data in your base, so when recipients refresh the page, they'll see your latest changes. If you need to add password protection or restrict access to specific domains, click Share and Sync again, then choose Link Settings. To stop sharing entirely, go to Link Settings and click Disable Link. Thanks for watching.